This Carpenter Realtors property video is presented by Vicky Peters CRB, CRS, GRI. Low maintenance, one-level condo/patio home. HOA takes care of exterior maintenance, roof, mowing, landscaping and mulching. Third bedroom possible, 2-bedroom plus den includes space to add a formal closet. Enjoy summer nights watching amazing sunsets from the covered patio. No neighbors staring at you on your rear patio that overlooks the pond. HVAC systems upgraded in 2014-2017. All appliances stay including washer/dryer. Most appliances and all flooring replaced in 2019. Great room offers lots of sun-filled windows and gas fireplace. Split bedroom floor plan, ensuite bath west/jetted tub plus separate shower stall and large walk-in closet. HSA home warranty provided. Plumbed for water softener, seller needs 30+ days post-closing possession for out-of-state move. For more information, review the details below.